Evacuees in Yellowknife got a special meal today. Representatives from the Korean Cultural Center Canada are in town right now. They're based in Ottawa and they travel the country sharing Korean culture. They were supposed to go to Fort Providence today to visit Daega School, but of course they can't because of the wildfire. So instead, they decided to cook a Korean feast for evacuees. I stopped by earlier to see what was on the menu. Tell me what's going on around us right now.
Yes, we plan to introduce Korean culture to Canadians in Yellowknife and Northwest Territory, and also we had a school visit to introduce Korea and share Korea pop dance and Korea food. Yes, that's what we are doing. And originally we are supposed to visit Fort Providence, but unfortunately there will be wildfire there, so we cannot go there today. But instead, we decided to provide and share everything we have with the people who evacuated from Fort Providence.
Yeah, tell me more about what you're cooking behind me and how that will be given to the evacuees. The ones in Yellowknife are from Wati as well. Yeah, some Fort Providence, but mostly Wati.
Yes, so we are preparing japchae, which is glass noodle with vegetables and meats, and bulgogi, which is made with beef, and jeokgukgung, which is a Korean spicy pork. Yes, that's what we are preparing, and we are going to go to Fieldhouse very soon and share everything.
It sounds delicious and it also smells really delicious. Why did you want to do this for the evacuees?
So it's kind of a cultural exchange program, but for now they are struggling with the wildfire and they are leaving, so we decided to share everything what we can. Yes.
What is the rest of your plan for your time here in the Northwest Territories?
Tomorrow we are going to another school and we will have Korean culture class, K-pop, Korean food and taekwondo. So we are very happy to share our culture with Canadians here.
What have you thought so far of the Northwest Territories in your time here, and how have people received the Korean culture that you're sharing?
Very surprisingly, most of the Canadian here is very familiar with Korean culture. They all know Korea K-pop demon hunters, and they are familiar with Korean food, and they loved taekwondo. So it was very lovely to meet Canadians here. Yes.
Is there anything else you want to tell us about your time in the Northwest Territories or what you're doing behind us?
My thought is that cultural tie is more stronger than other ties like political ties or economic ties. So cultural tie is the basic and the strongest connection between Korea and Canada. So I'd like to emphasize that we will strengthen and expand our cultural ties with Canadians.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.